52-year-old man facing charges of killing and dismembering a woman he had met on the dating app Tinder. The victim of this horrifying ordeal was Sydney Loofe, a store clerk who vanished in November 2017 after a Tinder date with Bailey Boswell, Trail's girlfriend at the time. Loofe's dismembered remains were tragically discovered in trash bags in a rural area a month later. Throughout the trial, the prosecution alleged that Trail and Boswell had meticulously plotted the crime for weeks, using social media to lure their unsuspecting victim into their deadly trap. They argued that their intentions were evil and had devastating consequences. As the trial progressed, emotions ran high, and the tension in the courtroom reached a boiling point. Trail's defense team argued that Loofe's death was accidental and occurred during a consensual sexual encounter. The prosecution provided this as evidence that Trail and Boswell were responsible for Loofe's death. But the proceedings took a tragic turn when a witness had just finished testifying. Trail, apparently unable to contain his feelings any longer, suddenly erupted in a dramatic outburst.
Please be seated.
Bailey is innocent and I curse you all.
Bailiffs rushed to restrain him as he collapsed from his wheelchair, and the courtroom was left in disarray.
Please be seated.
Bailey is innocent and I curse you all.
Stop recording.
He was immediately rushed to the hospital. Fortunately, Trail's injuries were later reported as not severe, and he made a full recovery, appearing in court in less than 3 weeks. Trail's attorneys later suggested that he had harmed himself using a piece of a razor blade, but they assured the court that his injuries were not severe. The judge ordered that Trail must appear in handcuffs for the remainder of the trial. Eventually, Trail was sentenced to death.